adjust my camera so if I can get you to pull this up like this.
Yeah, of course.
Above your eyes.
Okay, sure. Okay, above my eyes. Right here?
Yeah, fingers off the front. Yeah. Thank you. That is perfect. Thank you.
Want me to grab that for me?
I can throw it. Thank you.
I won't throw it in the sink.
That one's okay.
So I remember when someone was like, you should always have your foot cover on the glass. Like, that was saving that for the speed thing. Workshop's over. Everyone got
I thought this was going on.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Can you turn on your chair?
Yeah.
And then we'll record it. Like that.
Make the party some food, so that
Yeah,
she's
beautiful.
doing that behind the scenes stuff. And then half hour. No, that's just the what is it? The black-
Same thing, but the other way around?
Sure.
Yeah, the black
Your hair and your shoulders.
Over my shoulder?
Yeah, they're like that. No, I meant the hair.
Oh, wait.
Back here, yeah. Like that.
Okay, all that?
Yes. Nice. You know, turn your facing you again. Like that. And throw it like that on both sides. Yeah. Nice. One last shot. Thank you.
You're welcome.